بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على سيدنا مولانا محمد رسول الله وعلى آله وصحبه ومن اهتدى بهداه. It's our pleasure to invite our brothers and sisters to our annual Mawlid al-Rasul at Hall مولانا سيدي الشيخ عبد القادر الجيلاني قدس الله سره العزيز. Inshallah, this program will be this year as usual at Masjid Bukit Julutong, Shah Alam, Selangor, Malaysia, on 1st of November, Saturday 1st of November, inshallah, from 5 to 9 p.m. From 5 to 9 p.m. all brothers, sisters and families are invited to enjoy the blessings, the gathering of ulama, talks, speeches and dua. And we'd love to invite you again this year to attend this beautiful and blessed program. Inshallah, hope to be all of you part of it, bidnillah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And to our brothers and sisters everywhere, especially in Pakistan, Khosh Amdi, inshallah. Barakallah fikum. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.